Teague here, part 2 of the finger picking exercise. Very basic finger exercise, but we're expanding on part 1. Follow the link in the description below or in that box in one of these corners for the information to go with this lesson. So we're going to, like we did on the first video lesson, part of this series, where we went thumb on E, low E, 6th string, plucking down, index finger on the B string, 2nd string, plucking up, and high E with our middle finger, also plucking up. This time we're going to change the pattern a little tiny bit. We're going to go 6, 2, 1, 6, 2, 1, like we did in the last video, but then we're going to go 6, 2. So this time we're going to play 8th notes. I'm going to put the metronome on for a moment. In the last video we looked at quarter notes, playing with the beat. We looked at 8th notes. We looked at 8th note triplets, where the E always played on the beat, and we looked at 16th notes. So for this one we're going to look at 8th notes though. I'm going to show you what we're going to do here. So my 8th notes again were... So the reason we're going 6, 2, 1, 6, 2, 1, 6, 2 this time is 8th notes, could put 8 in one measure if we're in 4/4 time. But notice there's 3 notes in this pattern. So if I do it 3 times, I have one too many notes. So that's why we're going to go 6, 2, 1, 6, 2, 1, 6, 2, and then we'll start again. So here's just one measure, right? 2 measures together. Kind of neat, right? So just a little tiny expansion from the video 1. But like we said last time, we learned an E major scale, which was the again, follow the link in the description for video 1 with E major. This time we're going to do E minor. So we're going to go open E, F sharp, just like the key of E major, but this time we're going to go to G on the 3rd fret instead of G sharp. Very much changing the sound from E major to E minor. The A on the 5th fret is the same though. The B on the 7th fret is the same, but instead of C sharp on the 9th, we're going to go to the 8th for a C. Instead of the 11th, which is a D sharp, we're going to go to the 10th for a D, and the 12th for E. So, recap of that. I know it was kind of fast, but again, the links will let you have this information in front of you. But we're going 2nd fret F sharp, so open E, 2nd fret F sharp, 3rd fret G, 5th fret A, here we don't need that metronome on, do we? 7th fret B, 8th fret C, 10th fret D, 12th fret E. E, F sharp, G, A, B, C, D, E. And if I play that pattern that we did, we have the sound of an E minor scale. Kind of neat. And remember, you can mix those notes up in any order that you want, and you're playing an E minor. It doesn't have to be in order like I'm doing. That's just for the sound of the scale and kind of learning our fretboard. But I can play anything. Fun, right? And again, I'm mostly focused on this hand and that pattern. That's the point of this. It's just with those finger picking exercises, they get really old if you just stay on those open strings. Right? So by learning our fretboard, using some scales, and also the sounds, and probably my favorite part is we're being creative. We're like making up stuff. It's how songs are written. It's how I totally write. Most of my ideas when I'm writing stem from practicing something similar to this, and I stumble across something I like the sound of, and then I get a little vocal melody, and the next thing you know I'm working on a song. And meanwhile, I'm improving my guitar playing, learning my fretboard, learning music theory. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you liked this. It's in the corner. I'm doing lots of live streams now, so you can hit the notifications beside the subscribe button on my channel page. That will let you know when live streams are coming, so you can get a chance to come in and say hi, and I can help you with specific things. Musiclearning.com is my site. Tripfuse is my band, hence the name of the channel. Again, there'll be links in the corners, in the description to those things. This is a free video series, so check it out and get all the videos. And again, thanks so much for watching. Peace out.